Oh. Hello everyone, Novantic here. Welcome back to another video. I am with the blue and the
Hello!
alpha.
That was loud.
I know it was loud.
No.
And, well anyways, I'm here playing Slime Rancher with blue and alpha. Last time on Slime Rancher, we exploded a cat.
Why would you blow up a cat? Poor Katie. Poor
Those cats are awful.
No! No, they aren't. I have a cat.
Thomas, kill all the cats.
No, don't. Don't do that. That's bad. Don't do that kind of crap. That is
I've been
bad
considering that for a while, to be completely honest.
What?
Killing all the cats.
What?
Hey, look, a cat! Look at it!
No, don't kill it. Keep it. Keep it for you. No. No. I am going to leave and never talk to you again and block you from Discord.
Fine. But if a cat ends up biting me, I'm killing it. Look. Whee! I want it to fall on my head. Fall on my head. Fall on my
I'm
head.
gonna laugh if it
No!
lands in the water.
No! I saved it.
It jumps off
Oh no!
the head.
Are you blaming me for that?
Yeah,
No.
Suicide cats. I think that's the name of one of my other video. Suicide cats, because all the cats. Okay, this one's dying.
What a
Now
cat
you see it?
catastrophe.
Now you don't. Now you see this.
Is it actually gonna land on it?
Ow. Breaking laws of physics, but alright then.
It went right through.
Uh-oh. Angry things, angry birds. Well, today we're gonna pop another slime that I call Big Blue. And you'll see why I call this big fat slime Big Blue. No offense to
This is
Blue,
just
by the
not
way.
blue.
Yes, I'm popping a slime I call Big Blue,
It's a really bad joke.
but that's why it's a Big Blue. Super fat. Nobody likes it. It's Big Blue.
Big.
It's a Big Blue bugger. Ow.
Big blue bing boy.
That's what everyone. I don't even know if anyone. Hey, look! Thingies that are just gonna eat a bunch of slimes.
Cats.
We're gonna end up eating all the cats. Puddle slimes! You know what? I'm just gonna collect some poop.
Did you know that bubble slimes are one of the most profitable slimes?
Oh. Yeah, but I only have 3 different slimes in my place right now. Tabby is which I let
45
starve.
Yes.
I let my cats starve, basically. Which Blue's probably gonna be mad if she heard that.
She did. You
Okay.
can hear her writing a report right now.
Oh, she probably didn't pay attention, so. Blue!
Did you say?
Ah, nothing. Nothing. I said nothing.
You want to die?
No.
No.
I just said
Okay.
that I let my cats starve.
What?
Because I have no food for them.
Okay, remove friend. I'm right on top of the button.
I'm going to feed them right now if I have enough chickens.
Aha! Be gone! Look at Discord. I'm gonna add one.
I went to feed them.
Why remove me?
Because you were being bad.
Blue's being a nice blue.
I'm being a nice one because I actually don't feed my own cat. My mom feeds her.
Exactly. The thing is, though, nobody really feeds my cats, so... And I have 5 of them, so they're probably gonna explode at some point. To be totally honest. But I'm sure Blue's
They're probably
fine with
gonna
my
explode
cats.
at some point. Randomly face plants into a wall.
I'm sure Blue's fine with my cats exploding. Yes, I have very annoying cats, very annoying pig people, and starving rock people. Look at the cats, though. They're not starving right now.
They look like superheroes.
They're like, these are all my chickens. See? Not enough to feed my cats. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Okay, I can go get the upgrade. Do I want a power core? Also, if you see a chicken
I did.
outside of the coop. Was it outside the coop or now? Because if it's in the coop, I don't give a crap. I couldn't give 3 turds if it was outside, if it was inside the coop. Because all those things are just gonna eventually die, so... I mean, everything in this thing will eventually be dead, so... Even the tabbies. I have an ornament that Blue will really like. Blue. Where's Blue?
What?
Look at this
What do you
ornament.
Hug it.
Uh,
Now take it.
I don't want to take it. It's decoration. I like this one.
Okay then. Then
Okay.
you should play Luigi's Mansion.
No. Because I don't get free games that cost money. Because getting free games that are supposed
Yeah,
to...
then you'd be copyrighted by Nintendo too. By doing
True.
the video.
But I'm also gonna be... I'd also be, pirating. I'd be breaking
Yeah,
the...
mentioned Dark Moon on my phone.
I'd be
Not my
breaking
phone.
the Canadian law, Blue. Blue, I'd be
And then you
breaking...
can toss water in there.
What is wrong with Blue?
Wait, you need water.
Everything.
Blue has gone crazy.
Me. Why am I going crazy?
Because you're you.
I mean, let's be honest, who's the one that's crazy here? Look. Do you want to see a trick? Now you see it? No. No. Now you see it? Now you don't. Wait, before Blue gets back, let's go kill a cat.
No, I'm here.
Oh, You feel free to go.
I won't go. I'll be here watching.
Okay. No, jump. Bye. Really? There we go. Just plop. Okay, let's see. Alright. No, no, no. Miss shoot. I missed shot. Oh, this cat is starving. No! That was not my fault. That was an accident. So, don't blame me for that, because that was 100% an accident. Okay, Blue? Okay, let's try that again. Nah. Okay. So, we got a pink tabby. I'm just gonna jump. Hut. Okay, I don't think Blue saw that. I think Blue is not here anymore, so... Alpha! Alpha, let's go play cat ball before Blue comes back. Oh, cats. There's a bunch of cats. Okay, we're gonna play cat ball. Do you know that game? What you do is you take the cats and then you throw them, like, I'll show you. Boom. Okay, let's try it again. I need more energy first. So boom, boom. Boom, boom. Okay.
What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm doing nothing. We were just playing slime ball. Look.
Why were you tossing the tabby's lines?
Oh, the tabbies? Oh, those weren't tabbies. Those weren't tabbies.
It looked a lot like tabbies. They had cat ears. That's a cat too. That's a cat.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Says who?
I swear. What do you have against cat?
I just playing cat ball. Alpha's enjoying
I
it.
don't deserve. I can't find myself to be in this video anymore.
Oh my god, Blue just... Alpha. Alpha. Alpha.
What?
Blue just left the call. Are you gonna try to get her back on?
No.
Okay, I'll stop. After one more cat. Nah. Okay. Is Blue mad at me? What?
I think she will.
Catball is an actual sport.
I'm gonna tell her that. Because I know it.
It's an actual sport. In China, they use cats as soccer balls, and they call it catball. Well, not soccer balls. They use them as footballs. It's what used. Say it's a Chinese sport where people use cats as footballs. Place cats. Kids. The balls were cats. This is brilliant. This is comedy gold. Oh, I'm dying. I choked on laughter. Na 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 na. Are you gonna get Blue back?
No.
I'll try to get her back. Ring. I'm trying to ring. There we are.
I'm not sure that is the best.
I'm almost sure that she's not gonna join. Oh, she joined. Don't worry, I'm done playing cat ball.
What is wrong?
So
I'm
far
done
in
playing cat
ball,
ball.
they've replaced soccer balls and footballs.
But yeah, cat ball is an actual sport. Wait 1 sec.
And I'm gonna eat mess.
I sell apartment for 10. I just need $1 million to somebody from China. Am I supposed to dislike? I own a big chunk of the Bank of America building in 12.
Okay.
We're not messing with. Stop.
I wasn't messing with cats. I'm saving cats now.
It's from China.
Oh, nice.
See, there's cats in trouble, but I saved them.
This building. It's from China. People say, no, you don't like it.
Look, I'm a hero, Blue. You really think a hero would play cat ball? Do you?
I think you like some sports water.
Look, I'll play it right now. I'll play it without killing them, okay? Hut. Wait, it's gonna come down. And I'm gonna whoop!
They are rebuilding China.
See, Blue, it's fun to watch. It's an exciting sport. What do you have against cat ball?
We have all the card, but we don't know how to use it. We don't even know that we have the card because our leaders don't understand.
Cat ball is a real sport. And
But it's for kids.
who cares about cats?
What is wrong with?
To a Trump.
I'm kidding. I know a lot of people like cats. I'm sorry for those who like cats, but cat ball is a real thing.
You don't like cats?
Hate them. Not really. I hate some cats. Some cats I hate, some cats I... Some cats I hate, Some cats I don't hate. Blue, this is logic. And you need to behave. Okay, Blue? Okay. I'm telling you, this is Deja Blue all over again. Isn't that right, Alpha? Deja Blue, da 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 da, Deja Blue. Mom, what are you making? What's in the pot? Cheese! The best creation of man.
Alright.
What's taking Blue so long? I have a feeling Blue is breaking the law right now.
Me waiting for my food is taking me so long, and I'm not gonna talk until it gets.
Blue,
What?
I'm just saying this right now. This is Deja Blue all over again.
Nice. Deja Blue. I can never.
Deja Blue, I can never remember her. Okay, we got mail. My pet cactus.
What's the best?
One,
We're reading
two.
other people's letters. Hi, B.
Hi, Blue. Blue, you need to take a shower.
But I took one 5 days ago.
You're a teenager. You should take a shower every day.
Wait, what? Why?
If you don't take a shower every day, people will
Thomas, you know nothing.
stay away from you, and it's also very bad for your skin and hygiene. And it's also bad for your hair. If you don't take a shower, your hair will probably start falling out.
Actually, it won't. That's not how that works.
Yeah, but if you don't wash your hair though every day, it's not going to be healthy, and it could easily start falling out. You want to keep your hair safe and
No,
clean.
actually, it starts great.
Also, wait, I'm not
It
done.
doesn't fall out.
If you don't wash your hair every day, you're probably gonna get lice.
What
Wrong.
is lice?
Head lice. One time I had to shave my head bald to get rid of head lice.
No. No, I'm not doing that. Fuck that.
Thomas,
So
Stop
it's
scaring me.
Thomas, I've had lice twice in my life. It was the worst experience.
I know.
I'm gonna wash my hair every day and morning now.
Also make sure you wash you need to wash your skin too. If you don't wash your skin's gonna be unhealthy. That would not be good.
So I'll have skin cancer.
No, I'm just saying it wouldn't be healthy.
But it could cause skin cancer.
If you don't shower, that's bad for your
Also,
health.
did you know men can have breast cancer?
Yes.
And if you want to stink up the room and give everyone nose cancer, feel free.
Ew, not.
Thomas, stop being an ass.
I'm not being an ass.
Don't care if you get demonetized for that one.
I'm just saying
You're
that
gonna get
teenagers
demonetized
should
for
take
other
a shower every day.
Simple hygiene with Thomas.
Oh, fuck you! You can't tell me what to do!
Do you
not
want
my
to
dad.
lose? Do you want your skin to fall off? Do you want your skin to melt?
No, I don't.
Then you need to take showers.
My dad is my dad. Stop trying to.
What?
My dad is my dad, so stop trying to be my dad.
I'm just saying,
My
science.
dad is nice, I guess. I guess.
So if you don't take a shower, if you don't take showers and wash your hair
I
and
need
skin,
showers every now and then.
you'll lose. No, you need to do it every day, or else you'll get
Actually,
dry.
it's actually
You'll
pretty
lose your
hot,
skin.
so
You'll
you're-
lose your skin. Maybe you're gonna get unhealthy skin. You're gonna have to go to the
Thomas.
doctors. You could get skin problems.
Thomas, stop for a minute. First off, to have any of that happen, you have to have the possibility of it happening in your genetics. That's one factor. The second factor is if you go for long enough, some stuff will start occurring. But that's a while. See, cavemen lived for years without showers.
True, but I'm saying this.
Yet,
If
they live for
Blue,
some-
if you want to be healthy and want people to actually be around you, and you don't want nose
Thomas.
cancer,
answer this question. What people? None of us go into public.
put that in my book of references, guys. I'm gonna make a book of references and publish it. One of these references is gonna be, if you don't take a shower every day, you're gonna give people nose cancer.
No, that's gonna be in the quote.
You're into poo-poo. You're the poo-poo. You're the poo-poo po-po.
Go behind you. See that blue thing? Behind you.
That?
Forget about the horse for now. That thing. Yes, open it.
How did I not get that before? Oh look, it tells me that there's a Largo right there.
Yup.
Good to know.
Because you've seen it. It marks on
I've
your
seen
map
it,
if you've seen
but I've
it.
not seen it. But yeah, Blue, do you want to kill people, give them nose cancer?
I would.
But does Blue want to be a killer? Blue, do you
I
want to be a
do.
killer? Blue, do you want to be an evil killer? Do you want to kill your parents?
Golden. You missed it.
God damn it, I didn't even have any food on me. But yeah, Blue, do you want to kill your parents and lose everything you know and love? Because if you do, then you should give them your nose cancer. I like how this turned about Tabby, cat ball. Okay, so let's just get
Atari
we
Gold.
started this off with playing cat ball like this. We played cat ball, and then we started talking about nose cancer.
Oh, you did.
You brought it up. You brought it up.
No, I didn't.
You brought it. No, you brought it up. You brought up
You
the
invented the
hygiene
concept.
thing. Also, guys, did you know onions is good for your hair?
It's onions in there. Here.
It keeps your hair
Is it
from
because they
falling
have
out.
layers?
No, for some reason, onions are good for hair. Like, not eating them, but actually, like, I think rubbing the onion juice on your hair is good for it.
It just makes it greasier.
No, it's actually good for your hair because it has something in it. I don't remember what, but it's good for your hair, so that's what I want for Christmas. Big old bag of onions. Dude, it's true. It's true. Onions are good for your hair. It is true. This is a fact. This is a fact. My opinion is not wrong. This is a fact, and it's not even an opinion. Shush, 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 or I will turn you into a blue. I will turn you into a blue. Do you really want to be
Bob
turned into a
Propane
blue?
Hank Bob Propane Pants. Look in the Discord.
Great. You know what? Great. Great.
You have quit. Odd, you have a smoker's.
Sorry, I breathe fire every now and then.
Alright, little pump.
Shush, Renee. Don't make jokes like that. Making jokes is my job. Wait, you're getting me rice? Rice! Rice is nice. No! Rice! Look at that booger. If anything, I mess around more in these videos and actually do stuff. Like, this is the first video in Slime Rancher. One of the first videos I've actually been doing stuff in the game.
You should set goals to do in each video.
Yeah, what's the fun in that? What's the fun to set goals if you won't get them done?
You set your mind to it. That's how I played Terraria.
Terraria?
Yes.
Terraria is a terrible game. Or should I say, a terrible game?
Terraria is bad if you don't know how to play it.
Well, I guess it's kind of good. I mean, I have like I play it and I have a drill and I've played it for less than a month. Well, actually, I played it for like 5 months and I have a drill.
Alien containment drill.
I mean, I've beat the wall of flesh on my own.
Anyway,
And I have a pet werewolf, like multiple pet werewolves.
I don't like.
And a werewolf charm. Multiple werewolf. Do you have a pet elf?
Interesting, but I misplaced the item.
I have it on my phone. Well, my used to be phone. That will get repaired at some point. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of Cat Ball.
Mining Rancher.
A cat. No, 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 no.
That cat would be.
And if you enjoy this episode of Cat Ball, hit that like button and subscribe. And I will see all you dudes on the next video. I will see all you dudes on the next video. Wait. Hitting these guys with water makes them hungry. Oh, no, guys. Well, we're gonna get that next episode. Bye, guys. Say bye, Alpha. Alpha, say bye. Alpha! Fine. Bye, guys.